Hello everyone, and welcome back to mathMinutes. We're diving into the world of ratios in this video and learning how to convert them into fractions. It might sound tricky, but I promise it's easier than you think. First things first, let's recall what a ratio is. A ratio is a way of expressing the relationship between two or more quantities. It's often written as A to B. For example, if we have 3 red balls and 5 blue balls, the ratio of red to blue balls is 3 to 5. Now, let's convert these ratios into fractions. We can find the fraction of one quantity out of the total of all the quantities. To do so, we place as the numerator the part of the ratio that we are interested in. So, whether it is A or B. Then, for the denominator, we add up all the quantities for the total A plus B. Finally, we simplify the fraction if we need to. Let's take an example. Suppose a bag of sweets has blue and green candies in the ratio 6 to 8. Let's work out what fraction of the candies are green. Since 8 of the parts in the ratio are green candies, we can place this as the numerator. Then, for the denominator, we add up both parts of the ratio. So, 6 plus 8 equals 14 is the total number of candies. The fraction of the candies in the bag that are green is 8 over 14. We can simplify this further. We see that 2 is the highest common factor of 8 and 14. So we divide both the numerator and denominator by this to get 4 over 7. What if we have a more complex ratio like 5 to 2 to 7? Converting this into a fraction is done in much the same way as a ratio with only 2 parts. We place as the numerator the part of the ratio that we are interested in, so whether it is A, B or C. Then, for the denominator, we add up all the quantities for the total, A plus B plus C. Finally, we simplify the fraction if we need to. So, in this case, suppose our bag of sweets now has blue, green and red candies in the ratio 5 to 2 to 7, and we want to find out the fraction of the candies that are green. Well, as before, we look at the part of the ratio that are green candies. Since 2 of the parts are green, we can place this as the numerator. Then, for the denominator, we add up all the parts of the ratio, so 5 plus 2 plus 7 equals 14 is the total number of candies. The fraction of the candies in the bag that are green is 2 over 14. We simplify this further. We see that 2 is the highest common factor of 2 and 14. So we divide both the numerator and denominator by this to get 1 over 7. In much the same way, we can convert fractions into ratios. In order to do so, we work out the fractions of the quantities that we're interested in and make sure that they all share a common denominator. Then, it's simply a case of the numerators being the parts that go in the ratio. Let's consider an example to better understand this. Eva read 3/5 of a book. Find the ratio of the part of the book that she read to the part that she didn't read. First, let's find the fraction of the part of the book that she hasn't read yet. We know that she has read 3/5 of the book. So 1 minus 3/5 equals 2/5 of the book is what she has yet to read. Now, we write the numerators in the ratio. So 3 parts are what Eva has read, and 2 parts are what she hasn't read. So the ratio is 3 to 2. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on converting ratios into fractions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.